Hi, I'm attorney Dave Abels. Motorcycling is very popular in the Chicago area and across the state of Illinois. Since 1999, the number of motorcycles registered in our state has gone up by 76%. With so many motorcycles on the road, accidents have become a fact of life, and with accidents come serious injuries. Most crashes occur when other drivers fail to keep a lookout for motorcycles on the roadway. Whether it's a failure to yield or an improper lane change, the results of an accident can be devastating for a rider. If you've been injured, contact Abels and Annis for a free consultation. Call us at 855-LAW-CHICAGO.